Hi, I'm Alireza and you are watching Armad Tech, a channel for technophiles. Well, today I'm gonna review a 2-year-old speaker from Sony, which is SRS XG500. I have been using this speaker for almost 2 years and I have valuable information about that if you are thinking to buy it. Let's get started. This is my speaker, which I've been using and enjoying it for almost 2 years. Look at its design. It's very unique and beautiful, and almost all its surface is covered with a grayish black cloth. Even its passive radiators are covered with it, and these cloths keep it safe from getting scratches. And although its handle is made of hard plastic and can get some scratches, its grip is very nice and you can carry it without any problem for minutes. On its back, look at here, there is a lid that keeps all ports and buttons safe from water and dust, since this is an IP66 rated speaker. And in my opinion, the design of this speaker is very nice because as it's a robust speaker, it has a good design that can decorate your living room if you put it there. However, there's a problem with its design, and it's that it can roll when you put it on the trunk of your car. So you should always make sure that it has a fixed place to keep it safe. In terms of features, this speaker has a lot to offer. You can karaoke with it as it has a mic input, and even you can connect a guitar to it as it has a dedicated button for guitars, and you can always change the gain with its dimmer. And there are 2 applications that support this speaker, and one of them is Sony's Music Center, which you can use it to change the equalizer, connect Sony's speaker together, change the lighting modes, and change the connectivity options and customize the battery settings. The second app is Festival. This one provides DJ options like flanger, scratches, and so on, and give you more options for controlling the lights. And even you can make a shared playlist with your friends at your parties. When it comes to connectivity, it is equipped with Bluetooth version 5 and support LDAC, a high-res audio codec, which really makes the difference when you use an Android phone, since iOS does not support LDAC. And AAC and SBC, that both Android and iOS support them. Along with Bluetooth, there are an AUX input and a USB port that you can use to play music on this speaker. In addition, you can connect 100 Sony speakers together by using Party Connect, using the button on the back of this speaker, or using the application. And even you can connect 2 of these speakers together and use them as left and right channel for stereo sounding by using ST mode on the application. There is another cool feature on this speaker, which is that you can use it as a power bank to charge your phone or other gadgets by connecting them to the USB port on the back of this speaker, but it's not a fast charger. But it's nice to have this feature, especially when you are at a party and your phone is dying. When it comes to sound, this speaker has rather conventional drivers. There are two woofers that are X-balanced and 11 centimeters, and two tweeters that they are 25 millimeters. And there are two passive radiators that shoot out the sides. There is a 3 EQ band on the Music Center app, which you can use to customize the sound as you like. And it also offers a button that is mega bass. It can produce, when you activate it, it can produce more powerful and deeper bass. And when you hold it, it goes on stamina mode to provide you with longer battery life to keep your party going longer by reducing the bass and making the sound flat. There is another mode on the application that is called live mode. It is defined to produce sound in a way that feels like a concert experience. The sound of this speaker is very warm and lags in high frequencies, so you may feel that it's not detailed enough. However, as it uses a high-res codec, it can reproduce more detail of music which you play, especially in mids and upper bass. The frequencies that you feel that are very detailed and they are connected together, which I don't get when I play in other codecs such as AAC or SBC. A very good point about this speaker is that it does not distort the sound even when you put it at the max volume. Moreover, when you plug it in, the speaker will have a sound boost that affects mostly the bass and the max volume. When it comes to battery life, there is advertised number of 30 hours of battery life and 3 hours of playback time with 10 minutes of charge. However, these numbers are not realistic, and in real world use, there are for times when you just want an ambient music sound. In my test, in 2 years experience of mine, it can go for about 10 hours if you put the volume level around 80% with light features turned off. And if you want to use it with 100% volume and lights on, it can make it for just about 6 or 5 hours depending on the tracks that you play. Now let's go for the sound sample in 3 different modes: stamina mode, mega bass, and live.